Module 5. So what are we going to be looking at this module? We're going to be looking at what is SEO, what is an SSL certificate. We're going to be setting up your email accounts. We'll then be installing the SSL certificate and installing a plugin that's great for SEO on your WordPress website. Then we'll be looking at some security measures that we can take to make sure our website is secure. So what is SEO? Well, basically, SEO is doing activities that help increase your rank in Google search. So for example, when I type in a question into the Google search engine, how do I make my child listen to me? Blog posts or websites that are relevant to that topic will come up on the first page. So search engine optimization is activities that you can do to help your website rank higher in search results. So what is an SSL certificate? Having an SSL certificate installed on your website creates a secure connection for your visitors to enter their important details such as emails and credit card information. It's vital to have this if you're going to be having a shop on your website or if you're going to be collecting emails from your customers. Not only does it provide a secure site for your visitors, it also helps improve your rank in Google search results because Google prefers more secure sites. So it's going to rank you higher than your competitors. So how do you know when an SSL is installed on a website? Well, when you load a website, it will come up with the secure padlock up on the left and it will say HTTPS. This means that a SSL certificate has been installed on their website and it's secure for you to enter your email and your credit card details.